Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the HAlonix Prime 16 amp smart plug. On the front of the package, we can see an image of the smart plug. The HAlonix Prime branding is on the left. On the bottom, we can see that it works with Amazon's Alexa and Google Assistant. And above that, we have a sticker that shows that you can also monitor energy consumption via this smart plug. The smart plug works as a 16 amp or a 6 amp plug. The top and bottom is exactly the same as the front. On the left hand side, we have some of the key features which include Wi-Fi enabled. You can also turn on or off the smart plug using a mobile device. Right here, we can also create schedules to power the smart plug, and you can control it with your voice. Underneath that, we have the different downloading options for the app, which includes the Google Play Store and App Store for iOS. The right hand side is exactly the same as the left. And on the back, we have some of the technical specifications. The technical specifications include voltage values of 230 volts AC at 50 Hz, an output current of 16 amps at its maximum, and connectivity via Wi-Fi. On top, we have some customer care information, and above that, we have some information regarding the manufacturer. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get an instruction manual, and this should help you download and install and register on the app. Coming to the smart plug itself, the front has a matte white finish on it. We can also see the HAlonix branding underneath that and the power button right at the bottom. As we can see, it supports various plug points, and there is also a shutter on the plug point to prevent electrical mishaps. Around it, there is also this matte white finish, and underneath it, we can see that it is a standard 16 amp 3-pin Indian plug. Here we have the power rating, which is 16 amp or 230 volts. So let's see the smart plug in action now. As you can see, we have connected the smart plug to a power strip, and we have also installed the app. The registration process is extremely simple, and once it is registered, we get this interface. Tapping the power button should switch on the smart plug. We can also do a lot of other things from the app, like setting timers, setting a countdown, and we can monitor electric consumption on this plug. So this has been the unboxing of the HAlonix Prime 16 amp smart plug. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.